MTA is now revealing that is, a revolutionary way to clean subway cars and buses. These two little boxes could keep yourself safe on the next ride you take. News 4's Gus Rosendale got a first-hand look for us, and he's in Corona, Queens to show everyone how this works. Gus?
Well, Adam, we've certainly seen a lot of soap and water these days, and the MTA says, yeah, that's effective, but now they're shining a light on the situation. These flashing lights are the MTA's newest effort to derail COVID-19. The agency is starting a pilot program that will use UV light to disinfect subway cars, buses, and also staff workplaces.
And we continue to test the most advanced solutions to take our program, our cleaning and disinfecting program, to new heights.
The MTA chairman announced the start of the program at a transit depot in Corona, Queens late today, a joint collaboration with researchers at Columbia and the Puro Lighting Company that made the 150 devices getting the trial run.
We've shown that the UV light that's going to be used in the current overnight subway and bus disinfection program is very efficient at killing the SARS-CoV-2 virus, the virus that's responsible for COVID-19.
The UV devices are installed in unoccupied trains, and the cleaning cycle runs for about 30 minutes. We asked what the difference is between light and the more traditional chemicals that are currently being used to disinfect the transit system.
So what we like to say about light is the nice thing with light is it doesn't miss. So when you might be using soap and water or a chemical spray or a manual wipe down, there's always the chance for human error. You might miss one spot.
Now, the second phase of this pilot program will head to the LIRR and Metro North. The pilot program expected to cost about $1 million, but bear in mind the overall cleanup costs, the overtime, everything, that's going to run hundreds of millions of dollars over budget. We're live in Corona, Queens. I'm Gus Rosendale, News 4 New York.